If you have kids or anyone that do not like taking pap, try this method and trust me, they will love it. Here are everything I will be needing for my pap. In here, I have millet, white corn. You can as well use yellow corn, depending on your preference. I have here some sweet potato, little dry pepper, some ginger and coconut, and some aya, also known as tiger nut. And then I have some canaferi, also known as cloves. Please ensure your grains are soaked and washed properly to remove dirt and stone before grinding. And right now, I'm adding some water before taking to commercial blender because my own Onyebuchi blender cannot do the job because it's a lot. Note, if your grains are not well soaked, it's not going to come out smooth like this. To sieve your pap, you need a clean cheesecloth and then section your water into 3 bowls and then sieve just like I'm doing in this video. Repeat the same method until you're completely done. Lastly, you receive the pap in a bigger bowl again just to make sure there is no particles in it. Once you're done, you set aside and let it settle for like 5 to 6 hours. After 6 hours, you gently remove the water and set aside because I will be using the water for Kunu. But if you do not have any use for the water, you can dispose it. Then the next step is to remove the already settled pap inside your cheesecloth to remove the excess water. Then for the Kunu, I'm going to be making some light pap with boiling water, but not too thick as seen in the video. Next, I will be adding the pap water that I kept aside earlier and then mix with some raw pap. I'm going to mix that in very well and then add some sugar and tin milk. Mix properly, let it cool off completely before storing them in your containers. And here you have it, a rich and creamy kunu is ready. Serve cold and enjoy. And here is the pap. I'll be storing them in the freezer and this will last me for 6 months or more as far as they are in the freezer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've been able to learn one or two from this video. See you in my next video and bye for now.